Hello guys, so today I wanna cook while I catch up with you guys. So before that, let me show you guys what I have. I have my cooking oil sitting pretty, onion, my fried gizzard and chicken breast, my fried plantain. I'm sure by now you know what I'm trying to do. Then I have my mixed veg. I also have my cooked chili with garlic and ginger and my chicken stock. Yup. So I'm sure you already know what I'm trying to cook. Well, this was supposed to be a Dodo, but I had chicken breast at home. Yeah, so while cooking, I just want to check up with you guys. How are you guys doing? Happy new month. Yeah, because today is the 3rd of April. This is another quarter of the year. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope the year is not really hard on you, because man, I don't know for any other person, but this 2022, it started really tough. And I pray for those of us that started the year tough, this second quarter is gonna be better than the first quarter. Yeah, so I also want to use this medium to thank all of you that have been coming back to my channel, even if my contents are boring sometimes, but you guys still find time to click on my video whenever you see my video pop up on your screen, or whenever you open your YouTube and you see my video, you still have the time to click on it. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate, because without you guys, my YouTube journey is nothing. When I mean nothing, it's nothing. Thank you very much. I really appreciate, because the love recently has just been much. And I also want to use this medium to appreciate my new viewers. I know, even if I don't know all of you, but at least I noticed that we have new people. We have new people joining the family. Thank you very much. And please also, if you watch my video and you don't subscribe, please, why? Like, why? Because sometimes when I check my analytics and I see most of the people watching are not subscribed. But anyways, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much, and see you guys in my next one. If you have any video suggestion, drop it down in the comment section. Bye. I love you.